Rebecca from Greve's Garage here. Today I'm going to show you how to change wiper blades on a 2010 Mazda 3 hatchback. For this vehicle, you will need a 24-inch, 19-inch, and 14-inch blade. First step is removing the old wiper blade. Lift the arm, rotate the wiper blade 90 degrees. The old blade has a small tab to depress while pushing the blade down toward the bottom of the arm. Once the blade is free from the hook, you slide it down a bit and clear the hook, lift the blade off. A word of caution here. Be careful to not let the hook slam down onto the windshield. The impact of the hook can absolutely crack your windshield, so you definitely want to avoid that. Now that the old blade has been removed, it's time to put the new blade on. Take the new blade and feed the hook of the wiper arm such that it can hook onto the rotation mechanism of the new blade. Once this hook is aligned, give it a quick tug to secure it, and then you're all set. Now it's time to replace the driver's side blades, and replacing the driver's side will be the same process as replacing the passenger side. Replacing the rear wiper is slightly different. First, you will need to remove the small cap that covers the end of the wiper arm. This cap is just snapped on, and by grabbing the base and pulling it out, it should come off. This allows the arm to open fully forward. Rotate the blade 90 degrees, and the blade should pop right off. To install the new rear blade, after you get it out of the packaging, align the bar in the center of the blade with the opening at the end of the wiper arm and pop into place. Once the blade is on, simply snap the cap back into place at the end of the arm and you're all set and ready to go. And that's all there is to it. We'll see you next time.